A while back I got this lovely post package from Arrtx, and these are acrylic markers with 72 acrylic markers. And I was really excited about this package because these are a round tip acrylic markers. And I have had one round tip acrylic marker before, so I am really excited for this one. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, this looks really nice. A lot of different colors. And here are the change tips. Acrylic marker, strong coverage, recap after use. There, as you can see, it is round. I am really excited about this. And then if you want a pointy end tip, you can change it to the marker. That is good. Here is a lovely color chart. And then let's try it here. Looks really nice. So there are many color options. I thought that I could do some more of those Nordic Bloom flowers because I really love to do them. Okay, here are my colors of choice today. There. I love this pattern that is in the marker. I think this is beautiful. As well as this box. I love it. But yes, a warm thank you to Arrtx for sending me these lovely markers, and there is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out these. But yes, I have done the Nordic Blooms previously, so now let's start the coloring. Now the painting part is done, and next I will change the tip of the marker to the smaller tip, the smaller round tip. I think this will be perfect for decorations. This is a really nice feature in these markers, that you can switch the tips to whatever you need. If you need a pointy stitch. If you need a pointy tip, you can have it. And then the bigger rounded tip, and then the little rounded tip. And this little rounded tip is my favorite. Ooh, there is a part that doesn't have the paint. Let's fix that. Yes, but let's start the decorating. Now the Nordic blooms are ready, and I really enjoyed these acrylic markers. And if you want to color these blooms yourself, this set is now for sale on my Etsy shop. It has the grey version, black version, and then this colored version. A warm thank you to Arrtx for sending me this lovely set. For sure I will be using this in the future projects. There is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out this lovely set. But yes, until next time, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.